Want to know how to farm gold efficiently in KingsRoad Mobile? Gold is one of the most important resources in Game of Thrones KingsRoad, and using it efficiently is really important. So, farming efficiency and farming it efficiently really matters. First things first, simply complete daily quests and achievements. They give consistent gold rewards. Next, attack resource points and map nodes that drop gold. Higher level nodes give much better rewards, so prioritize them. Don't forget about event rewards. Many events give extra gold for completing stages. Save premium currency and items for special events to get even more gold. So make sure you follow this routine daily and you will always have enough gold for upgrades, heroes and gear. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.